Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Hasham Ali Khan. In this video, I am going to cover up the topics of rights and duties of auditor, a company auditor. What are the rights and duties of a company auditor? So in the past videos, I have already uploaded the videos regarding appointment of auditors, qualification, disqualification, qualities. All these things I have explained in the previous videos. So hope my regular viewers have already watched those videos. If you have not watched, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject, select your concerned subject. Right now the subject is auditing. Select the previous videos, watch the videos, get acquainted with the topic of auditing. Apart from that, I have already uploaded so many subjects videos like financial accounting, advanced accounting, cost accounting, corporate accounting, advanced corporate accounting, managerial accounting, business statistics, income tax, so many business law, corporate accounting, so many videos I've uploaded. Select your subject, watch the video and enhance the knowledge. So before starting this video, I suggest you to take a screenshot of this board so that you can jot down the points and can be able to remember while writing in examination. So now we'll start with the rights of a company auditor. What are the rights of a company auditor? The following are some of the rights. Many rights he is having. Without these rights, an auditor cannot perform the function of auditing. So right to access company accounts. Every auditor has the right to access all the accounts, vouchers and related documents of the company in order to perform the function of auditing. So first right, the auditor has the complete access, complete control on all the accounts. Without having this access, he cannot proceed for auditing. Second right to obtain information. So wherever the auditor requires, he is having the right to seek the information from the directors or company officials for any matters relating to accounts. He has also the right to ask for detailed explanation for any discrepancy if he has found. So while auditing, many a times the auditor will encounter some discrepancy. If there is any discrepancy, he is having the right to ask for detailed explanation from the company officials. The next right is right to attain annual general meeting. So every auditor has the right to attend the annual general meeting of the company. Further, he has the right to receive all meeting related notices. Whatever the meeting related notices issued by the company, those notices must also be given to the auditor. Auditor has the right to receive. Next, right to submit report. After completing the audit work, he has to prepare the audit report and submit the audit report to the members of the company in the general meeting, and showing the audit results, what are the findings, what he has seen. Then right to have branch visit. Sometimes a company may have different branches located at different places. The company auditor has the right to visit and inspect the accounts of the branches. Right to sign audit report. After completing the auditing work, he will make an audit report and he is having the right to sign and stamp the audit report. Right to seek legal or technical advice. Sometimes the auditor needs the legal advice or technical advice from expert persons. The auditor is having the right to take the legal advice or expert advice, technical advice on different issues. Then right to remuneration. After completing the auditing work, the auditor has the right to demand his remuneration. So these are some of the rights of a company auditor. Now I am coming to the duties of company auditor. Duties of company auditor. So broadly we divide the duties into two categories: statutory duties and duties under section 143. So first of all, statutory duty. It is a statutory duty of the auditor to prepare a detailed audit report. All these auditing is being done in order to make the audit report. So first, the statutory duty of the auditor, the legal duty of the auditor is to make a detailed report, audit report. It needs to be prepared after thorough examination of the books of accounts. So the auditor will make the audit report only after thoroughly going through all the books of accounts, vouchers and other related documents. The audit report needs to be presented in the AGM. The audit report after making that will be presented in the annual general meeting to the shareholders. Then the audit report needs to include the following. So statutorily, what are the duties of the audit report? The audit report must contain what? So here the duties are, the report must be prepared in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act 2013. So here in India, we have Companies Act 2013 which has given the detailed provisions regarding how to make the audit report. So it is the statutory duty of the auditor to see that the audit report should be in the format according to the provisions of Companies Act 2013. Secondly, the financial statements and balance sheet must provide a fair, true and objective view. The financial statements, the auditor has to see that the financial statements show a true, fair and objective view of the state of affairs of the business of the company. Then the company and its branches, if any, must maintain proper books of accounts. If a company is having branches, then he has to give the opinion that proper books of accounts are maintained by the company as well as its branches or not. Then the balance sheet and profit and loss account must be in agreement with the books of accounts of the company. That means the ultimate financial statements, that is the profit and loss account and balance sheet, are in agreement with the books of accounts. That means the financial statements are prepared on the basis of the books of accounts. On the basis of books of accounts. So whatever accounting information is provided in the books of accounts, that is reflected in the financial statements of profit and loss account and balance sheet. The next one, the auditor needs to disclose if he has any personal interest in the company. Sometimes an auditor may have some personal interest in the company. So if there is any personal interest of the auditor in the company, that fact should be shown in the audit report. So these are the statutory duties every auditor must follow in a company audit. Now apart from the duties under section 143, in this some more duties are given. Under this section, the auditor is supposed to investigate and verify about the following. Few items are given under section 143. Auditor has to verify, check these items. What are the items? First one, loans and advances. Sometimes a company may give loans and advances to another party. Now auditor's job is, he has to see when the loans and advances are given, is there any proper security deposit given, and these loans and advances are given in the interest of the company. Whether the loans and advances given by the company is in the interest of the company or not, that he has to check. Then next one, disqualification of director. The auditor has to check, is there any director who is disqualified being appointed as per the provisions of Companies Act 2013. He has to check. The next one, personal expenses. The auditor has to check, is there any personal expenses of the director or any company official are being charged to the revenue account of the company. That point also he has to check. So these are the duties which are given under section 143 of the Companies Act. So in this video I have explained you about the rights of a company auditor and also the duties of company auditor. The next topic I'll take up in the next video, inshallah.